Alright, so we're going to see little baby chicks here. This is where they were put their eggs in here after a warm temperature. Then they become little chickies. I'm sure there's more involved in between that time frame. So it's a hatchmate, temperature controlled. And once they hatch, and about a week later, approximately, you can take them out and put them in this little temporary basket for now. So there are 5 of them in here. These are more the relaxed ones. This one here is the more adventurous one. Wants to walk around, wants to move, wants to be active. There it is. He will interact with the camera in a little bit. But for right now, these other ones just want to chill and relax or bake or whatever you want to call it underneath the sun here, or a light bulb. It has to be a certain temperature degree for them to enjoy it. So the point of this was to show the students in the raising, what their life cycles are, and kind of go from there. So here we go, and look, this one's coming up a little closer. It's going to touch the camera. The camera is completely sealed. It's a GoPro Max 360. He taps the lens. So yeah, there's nothing being exposed to the little ones. And you can see he just ran them over, got them all. Hey, you're interested up to me. And then he comes back and he looks at the camera because he's very curious. That's cool. Curiosity. And, enjoys his time. So, here's a video clip that I did from my phone. And you can see that one hatched from the egg. He's just chilling. And these other ones they're cracked already. They're the ones in the basket.
They got so
and
big.
Here they are.
This one has some nice color to it.